The following is a paid program for iGrow brought to you by Apira Science. Are you losing your hair? Is it getting thinner? When you look in the mirror, is your hair receding? Does it take longer to make it look good? Beautiful hair has always been tied to health, vitality, and confidence. There are only a few real options. Pills and lotions you have to use for life with possible side effects, or expensive and painful surgery. You want to stop losing your hair before it's too late. Now there is real hope. A safe, innovative technology available for men and women that really works by harnessing the power of safe, low-level light therapy to stimulate and energize hair growth at a cellular level. Introducing iGrow, the clinically proven breakthrough in the science of hair growth, where 100% of participants grew hair, with results that are truly remarkable. Stay right here to find out how.
I know you've heard it all, seen it all, and maybe like me, you feel like you've tried it all. My hair really started thinning about 2 years ago, and it was hard on me. And then I heard about iGrow. For the first time, I had real hope. iGrow is really easy to use, and I am seeing results. 2 clinical studies showed 100% grew hair after only 120 days. That is impressive. I know it's hard to believe how something like this can really work. Now see for yourself how iGrow has changed lives. And this is after only 120 days.
Oh, wow.
I'm impressed. I'm excited. That looks really good.
It's an amazing result. Oh, I'm so excited.
I can't believe it. I never expected those kind of results.
Oh my gosh. It's pretty amazing.
What are you feeling?
Excited. Being, only 35 and starting to lose your hair as a woman, it's kind of hard. But now I have hope. It looks so much better. It's pretty amazing. Really excited. Thank you. To just see your hair falling out like that every time you washed it. Literally see it coming out in clumps. And that to a woman is heartbreaking. Just for so many years of dealing with it, this has given me hope. I can't wait to see what the rest of it's gonna start to fill in, and it's a relaxing time to use it. You could have your quiet time. I'm gonna continue to use the iGrow product, and I'm gonna pass it on to my husband to start using it also.
No way, that was me. That is very shocking. Whenever I go to the grocery store, I don't have to grab a hoodie, I don't have to grab a hat. I can just, shake up my hair, and I'm confident. It's making me a believer in iGrow.
Wow, that is really different. That's amazing. A huge Grand Canyon and now a normal part. I have to tell you, it's almost embarrassing. I didn't know my hair was that bad. Parts of my hair that I can't see normally, I would have to see the photograph to know that, and it was really encouraging. I'm very impressed, and I can't wait to the next step. For me in my life, iGrow has helped me lift my chin up a little higher. I feel better about myself because of my hair. I have to keep using iGrow. I want my hair to grow.
Of all the tools in my toolbox, the one that I feel the most confident about non-surgically, no question, is low-level light therapy. And that's where iGrow comes in. It's very safe, there's no downside to it, and it's something I can have great confidence in prescribing without having to worry about there being any issues whatsoever. Everybody that walks through that door that has a hair loss issue stands the chance to have some improvement with that iGrow helmet. At the very least, is going to take the hair that they have and make it thicker, fuller, and stronger. Hands down, low-level light therapy is something that can benefit just about everybody that uses it. And for me, it's been a game changer.
I am joined now by Jonathan Graff, Director of Clinical Research and Education for Apira Science. Now, is there a difference between men and women as far as what their experiences are with hair loss?
Well, both men and women do experience genetic hair loss. It just looks different in women than it does in men. Men usually begin their hair loss in their early 20s. You start seeing that receding. Women usually keep their hairline. They get kind of thin throughout the whole top and sometimes the whole head.
Jonathan, what are the options we have for losing our hair?
The only one that is non-medical, with no known side effects, perfectly safe, is low-level light therapy, which is what the iGrow uses.
Will you explain to the viewer what low-level light therapy is?
Certainly. Low-level light therapy is a technology that's been around about 20 years for treating genetic hair loss, as well as a host of other different conditions such as acne, minor pain relief, post-operative wound healing, and of course, thinning hair in men and women.
Yes.
It uses gentle therapeutic light at a specific wavelength shown to stimulate hair follicles to be more productive. What we've done with the iGrow is simply take that technology out of a doctor's office and put it into an easy-to-use delivery device that people can do in the privacy of their own home. It treats the entire scalp for the entire treatment program. If you're already going to be checking your email, watching television, reading a book, you may as well be regrowing your hair at the same time. The iGrow underwent double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical studies, one for men, one for women. 100% of men and women who used the iGrow grew hair in only 16 weeks of treatment.
Great.
The average improvement was 35% more hair for men, 37% more hair for women.
It's wonderful.
Again, in only 16 weeks of using the iGrow. Once you actually see the change, it really encourages them to continue using the iGrow to see the full effect of what 35 to 37% more hair can do for their appearance.
Well, let's see what that looks like.
I'd love to show you. Let's go to our first photograph. This is a typical kind of hair loss that you see in women, a thinning through the top, behind the hairline, throughout the whole part line. Look at this.
See it filling in.
Look at this whole thinning area. This will continue to improve as the hair keeps growing. Healthy hair grows about a ½ inch a month. So it can take a while to really see the results. You see this thinning crown area? Look at the change in just that 16 weeks of treatment.
That's 16 weeks?
That is 16 weeks.
That's
Slightly
really
different
filled
style.
in, especially through here, yeah.
Through the crown area. Now, this is a younger man
That's a huge difference. That's great.
who is seeing that erosion through the hairline.
Wow.
This is Lasanthi. She started seeing hair loss at age 18, and she's always had very fine, thin hair. Now watch that gradually heal in and become thicker through the whole top of her head.
Oh, wow. Oh, that is amazing. Well, that's wonderful. Those are great before and afters. We'll talk with Jonathan more a little later. Take that first step. Do what I did and get your iGrow. Here's your chance.
Are you losing your hair? Is it getting thinner? When you look in the mirror, is your hair receding? Beautiful hair has always been tied to health, vitality, and confidence. We know how important your hair is to you. Billions are spent every year with hair pieces, extensions, and products to regrow hair. But many options just don't work and come with possible side effects, plus a lifetime of cost. And hair transplant surgery can be painful and expensive. Why go through all the pain and trouble? There is a better way, an industry-leading technology that is absolutely safe, pain-free, with no known side effects. iGrow by Apira Science. The patented hands-free iGrow hair growth system has been clinically proven to grow hair in 2 studies where every single person, that's 100% of participants, grew hair. iGrow harnesses powerful yet safe low-level light therapy used by doctors and clinics worldwide to stimulate and energize cellular activity to regrow hair.
The evidence is out. The evidence is irrefutable. Low-level light therapy can take the hair that you have and make it thicker, fuller, and stronger.
Best of all, you can take it anywhere and it grows hair.
It's so easy. I return phone calls with the iGrow. I've opened my mail. I have the iGrow on.
I didn't have to work at it. I could just put it on literally when the kids went to bed, and I would watch TV.
The iGrow hair growth system is FDA cleared for both men and women and has been clinically proven to grow hair with an average 35% increase in men and 37% for women. It has been featured in top magazines plus many television programs. Look at these reactions after seeing before and after pictures for the very first time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Man.
No way, that was me.
I'm impressed.
It's pretty amazing. I'm really excited. Thank you.
Go now to tryigrow.com or call the number below and get started today to get the incredible iGrow hair growth system. iGrow is super simple to use. It's hands-free. You don't have to constantly comb or move anything. Just use iGrow minutes a day, 3 times a week. Work, listen to music, talk on the phone, check emails, all while iGrow works. Surgery can be expensive. Clinical treatments can cost up to $4,000 per year. Topical treatments with potential side effects can cost up to $1,000 per year for the rest of your life. iGrow has no side effects, and you won't pay $1,000, not $800, not $600. Call or go to tryigrow.com for the special offer. That's not all. You get the iGrow Volumizing Shampoo that will leave your hair looking beautiful after using the iGrow. Plus, you get the iGrow Conditioning Spray with 35 ingredients that work together for more luxurious hair. Both are free today. The first 100 to order will get free shipping right to their door, all for a special low price. This is a limited time offer, so you must act now. Apira Science is so sure you will grow hair that we are giving you an almost unheard of 6-month risk-free money-back guarantee. We want you to stop paying for hair growth products that don't work. iGrow works, so put the risk on us and try iGrow in your home 100% risk-free for 6 months. See for yourself thicker, fuller, and more vibrant hair with iGrow. If you don't, send it back for a full refund, no questions asked. No tricks, no gimmicks, and we will even pay return shipping. Go to tryigrow.com or call the number below. You can choose to do nothing and keep losing hair, or you can do something today to grow hair and regain your confidence. You have absolutely nothing to lose except more hair. Get iGrow today. You will love your hair.
iGrow was an incredible opportunity that I had been waiting for. iGrow is the easiest thing I have ever used. So I just put it on and then check my emails, read or watch a little TV, and the next thing I know, it's done. I take it everywhere I go. The iGrow hair regrowth system is used by doctors and clinics around the world, and one of those is Dr. Urato, a dermatologist.
So when a patient presents with generalized hair loss, we look at all of the possible treatment options. I was absolutely delighted when I stumbled upon the iGrow system because I was really looking for something that was going to be non-invasive and that worked. The iGrow is a follicular stimulation unit which promote hair growth as well as preserve the hair that people have. The light system is extremely appealing, and it has the convenience of being a home treatment. For me, the iGrow system is included in all of my first-line treatments. 1, because it works, 2, because it's safe, and 3, because it's non-invasive. It is miraculous sometimes to see the response that people get with the iGrow system, and for me, this was a game changer.
I would always feel like, man, if I'm gonna find a girl, I better do it now, because I'm not gonna look very good in a couple of years, you know. It was getting worse and worse and worse. It didn't seem like it was slowing down. When I first heard about iGrow, this was something that if I tried it and it worked, then it would be an answer. And after, a few months, you could tell that it was coming back, it was getting thicker. You don't even realize you have a problem in certain areas. You really notice the front or the back, certain areas where you notice that you're thinning. Then you see the other areas on the before and after, you go, wow, I didn't even realize that area was a problem. That's really the cool part about it, is I didn't realize what potential my hair even had. The best part about it is just how easy it is to use. You just put it on your head, you turn it on, and you forget about it. It's gonna keep your hair where it is, gonna thicken your hair up. So for the price you pay, for the ease of use, and for the lack of side effects, I don't see really any other alternative.
Welcome back. I am joined again by Jonathan Graff, Director of Clinical Research and Education for Apira Science. We usually think of this problem being a man's problem because we see it more clearly. We see bald men. But it really affects women, too.
Boy, it really does. Genetic hair loss affects approximately 40% of women and 60% of men. As part of the normal growth cycle, it's common for a man or a woman to shed about 100 hairs a day. But if you're seeing a great deal more, each time it grows back, it's getting thinner and finer over the months, over the years. Again, one of two things always happens. If a genetic hair loss has started, it's going to get worse fast, or it's going to get worse slow. Once the hair is gone, it's gone. As long as there's some hair left in that follicle, that hair follicle could recover, and that hair can become the strong, long, growing hair that it once was.
So there are things we can do to stimulate hair growth.
There are. The primary thing that can be done is low-level light therapy, which uses gentle therapeutic red light at a proper wavelength and power that stimulates the hair follicle to simply be more productive. The technology is an established part of hair loss clinics worldwide and has been for years. What we've done is simply take that technology out of the clinic and make it convenient to do in the privacy of your own home, easy to use, and so effective that in our clinical studies, everyone was better than when they started.
And it's received FDA clearance, which is huge.
Yes, the iGrow was FDA cleared for genetic hair loss. As I've said, anybody's welcome to try to see what it can do for their kind of hair loss. In our 2 double-blind clinical studies, 100% of men and women who use the iGrow, they all regrew hair and they all wish they had started sooner.
I love that it's 100% that experience hair growth.
And that hair growth was only in 16 weeks of treatment. And the average improvement was 35% more hair for men and 37% more hair for women.
That's great.
This is Malik. You see this thinning in through this whole front area. And he's a young guy again in his 20s.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
And look at that picture.
That's great, yeah. You can really see the difference.
You can really see the change in him.
And I love that the iGrow is safe, and the clinical studies more than prove that it works. Do you have another example for us?
I certainly do. Look at the change, not just in the quantity of her hair, but the texture. The vibrancy is back.
Yes, it is.
This is the same woman from the side.
Oh, wow.
This is a woman who in only 16 weeks of treatment, while she's just reading, checking her email, watching TV, or talking on the phone, the only thing any of these people did differently in that 4 months is put something on their head and push a button. This kind of a treatment, low-level light therapy, relies very heavily on compliance. Simply put it on, push the button, and do what you're already doing every day and see the kind of results like we're showing here.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today, Jonathan.
It's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
What I love is that iGrow has sound research and science with the perfect wavelength and type of low-level light therapy to stimulate hair growth. And if you are suffering from hereditary hair loss, you may be able to slow the loss, turn the tide, and start growing more hair that is thicker and fuller. The iGrow hair regrowth system is used by doctors and clinics around the world, and one of those, Dr. Lanzafame, knows the secret behind iGrow.
I've been involved with lasers and the application of lasers for 34 years. I became involved in studying various effects of how light interacts with tissue in non-destructive ways. Photobiomodulation, which is really the effect that we're talking about here, tends to be concentrated more in the red and the near infrared. The iGrow has been scientifically demonstrated that it is effective in stimulating hair growth in men and women with male pattern baldness.
Now see for yourself how iGrow has changed lives. And this is after only 120 days. Look at these remarkable changes and reactions.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that is amazing.
It's like new curly wavy hair. Wow.
Really, really big difference.
Better from the front, it's better from the side. All of the hair looks healthy now.
Oh God, I actually want to cry. Oh wow. Very, very shocked. You can even see the little hairs coming out. Like, look how much thicker on the other side. Look, there's the little one, the baby one coming out. You don't even see it. Like, every day I look at the mirror, I don't even see that result, but when you actually look closely, it's like, and it's an amazing result. Oh, I'm so excited. I was continuing using it, and I started noticing that my hair got stronger. I did not lose as much hair I used to lose. When I used to take a shower and wash my hair, I used to take, hair in my hands, and I would always have like a bunch of hair. And I started noticing it start getting less and less. People who are struggling with the hair loss, this is the way to go. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to continue to use the helmet. My kid's saying that I look like a RoboCop, but I don't care. I really don't. iGrow make me feel much better about my hair. Would definitely continue to use it and see what's going to happen.
The hairline is better from the front, it's better from the side, and even when combing back, all of the hair looks healthy now. All those wispy, weak hairs that kind of ripped out even when I combed it, they all look healthy and thick. It's even crazy for me to look at right now. The first month that went by, I noticed changes immediately, because I had a few kind of like the little tiny growth hairs that were coming in, knowing that the iGrow is safe. There's no chemicals, there's nothing artificial. I'm not cutting my body, I'm not putting things into my body. Now I feel good about making a good decision for me. Using the iGrow has to be one of the easiest things I've ever done. I brought it to Yosemite, we went camping, we plugged it into my friend's car, and I sat in the car and wore it. Because it's easy. You're wearing something on your head, and then you're not thinking about it. And 25 minutes later, you're done. If I can bring it to Yosemite, go camping in the middle of the woods with no cell phone reception, and still wear it, so can you.
Wow, it's a big difference. I see no bald patch at the back. I'm thrilled. Who doesn't want more hair? Just seeing that, the images really has given me even more of a boost. I would recommend iGrow because I saw such amazing results, and I would tell them to make an investment in your hair. In my opinion, iGrow is remarkable.
I used to have very long, thick black hair. I started losing it slowly, little by little, until it got to really a bad stage. I have gone to many doctors. I've tried everything out there, but nothing worked until I found iGrow. That was a life-changing moment for me. I did not think iGrow would work first. I mean, within a month, I started feeling the difference. Little by little, it stopped falling. When I saw the last picture that I did, which was, I think, 120 days or so after I started using, I cried. And I was like, I have hair now, it's growing. I feel beautiful, I feel great. It's just completely changed me. It's so easy to use too. All you have to do is just put the helmet, sit and surf the web, and I tell everybody, just give it a chance. I was very skeptical of iGrow, but now I tell everybody I know, it's just being the best thing that ever happened to me, other than my husband and my daughter and my family and all that.
I've been in private practice for 11, 12 years, dealing with thousands of patients over the years. And I saw more men in that first 2 weeks who were just utterly despondent about their situation. I saw more men cry in that 2 weeks than I'd ever seen in my private practice. And it really struck me, and I was moved by it, just how important it really was. And I never, ever want to do a case on a patient when it's unnecessary. And that's where iGrow comes in. iGrow being low-level light therapy. The evidence is out. The evidence is irrefutable that what low-level light therapy can do is take the hair that you have and make it thicker, fuller, and stronger. The one that's the most convenient, in my opinion, that we offer is the iGrow helmet. It's a no-brainer.
Are you losing your hair? Is it getting thinner? When you look in the mirror, is your hair receding? Beautiful hair has always been tied to health, vitality, and confidence. We know how important your hair is to you. Billions are spent every year with hair pieces, extensions, and products to regrow hair. But many options just don't work and come with possible side effects, plus a lifetime of cost. And hair transplant surgery can be painful and expensive. Why go through all the pain and trouble? There is a better way, an industry-leading technology that is absolutely safe, pain-free, with no known side effects. iGrow by Apira Science. The patented hands-free iGrow hair growth system has been clinically proven to grow hair in 2 studies where every single person, that's 100% of participants, grew hair. iGrow harnesses powerful yet safe low-level light therapy used by doctors and clinics worldwide to stimulate and energize cellular activity to regrow hair.
The evidence is out. The evidence is irrefutable. Low-level light therapy can take the hair that you have and make it thicker, fuller, and stronger.
Best of all, you can take it anywhere and it grows hair.
It's so easy. I return phone calls with the iGrow. I've opened my mail. I have the iGrow on.
I didn't have to work at it. I could just put it on literally when the kids went to bed, and I would watch TV.
The iGrow hair growth system is FDA cleared for both men and women and has been clinically proven to grow hair with an average 35% increase in men and 37% for women. It has been featured in top magazines plus many television programs. Look at these reactions after seeing before and after pictures for the very first time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Man.
No way, that was me.
I'm impressed.
It's pretty amazing. I'm really excited. Thank you.
Go now to tryigrow.com or call the number below and get started today to get the incredible iGrow hair growth system. iGrow is super simple to use. It's hands-free. You don't have to constantly comb or move anything. Just use iGrow minutes a day, 3 times a week. Work, listen to music, talk on the phone, check emails, all while iGrow works. Surgery can be expensive. Clinical treatments can cost up to $4,000 per year. Topical treatments with potential side effects can cost up to $1,000 per year for the rest of your life. iGrow has no side effects, and you won't pay $1,000, not $800, not $600. Call or go to tryigrow.com for the special offer. That's not all. You get the iGrow Volumizing Shampoo that will leave your hair looking beautiful after using the iGrow. Plus, you get the iGrow Conditioning Spray with 35 ingredients that work together for more luxurious hair. Both are free today. The first 100 to order will get free shipping right to their door, all for a special low price. This is a limited time offer, so you must act now. Apira Science is so sure you will grow hair that we are giving you an almost unheard of 6-month risk-free money-back guarantee. We want you to stop paying for hair growth products that don't work. iGrow works, so put the risk on us and try iGrow in your home 100% risk-free for 6 months. See for yourself thicker, fuller, and more vibrant hair with iGrow. If you don't, send it back for a full refund, no questions asked. No tricks, no gimmicks, and we will even pay return shipping. Go to tryigrow.com or call the number below. You can choose to do nothing and keep losing hair, or you can do something today to grow hair and regain your confidence. You have absolutely nothing to lose except more hair. Get iGrow today. You will love your hair.
For those you are about to see, you can already see the difference, and this is after only 120 days.
Oh my. No way, that was me.
Wow. Wow, that is really different. That's amazing.
What are you feeling?
Excited. It looks so much better. It's pretty amazing. Really excited. Thank you.
Wow. It's like new curly wavy hair. That is amazing. I mean, I felt something up here, but just to actually see it, gosh, look at the parts. Oh my God. In the beginning, of course, I was a skeptic, but to see the results, it's truly amazing, and I'm a believer. You can't get any more real than that. To anybody who's suffering in silence like I did for so long, I would love for somebody to experience what I experienced. I know, and I can stand behind iGrow, that it will help you and it will change your life. And I'm so thankful for iGrow. Really, I truly am.
I'm impressed. And I'm excited. That looks really good. I mean, like I said, almost probably 85% covered now. I'm really surprised. It looks really good. Looks really, really good. Product's very simple to use. You know, normally before I go to sleep, put iGrow on for about 25 minutes. Once my session's done, put it up and go right to sleep. If you want to be confident and look good, I definitely would recommend iGrow.
Wow, it's really significant. Really, really big difference. I mean, it works. I see the hairs coming in. It's almost like in the front I've got these little bangs coming in. That it's gonna be really exciting once I have enough hair that I can sweep it off to the side because I won't know what to do with it all. My hairdresser has noticed significantly. She was showing me areas in the back that are starting to grow in now. I can only imagine over time it's gonna get even better. Using iGrow for me was an incredible experience. I didn't know if it would really work. If you are committed to having your hair grow, you will definitely see a difference. I'm so happy with my results. iGrow works.
iGrow has given me hope. This show has given me even more confidence in what iGrow will do for me over time. Don't wait one more second or lose more hair. The secret truly is the science. Others may talk about their science, and iGrow truly has it. But most of all, iGrow has shown results. What more could you ask for? What do you really have to lose? Except more hair. Get iGrow today.
The preceding program for iGrow was brought to you by Apira Science.